If you've just discovered that mold is behind your health issues, you might feel overwhelmed, confused, or even hopeless. Trust me, I've been there too. But there is a path forward, and it starts with understanding that mold recovery happens in phases. Trying to detox too fast or skip steps can actually make you feel worse. So in today's video, I'll walk you through the 4 core phases of mold recovery, what to expect in each, and the most effective strategies that are helping me naturally and holistically. So stick around for the end, and I will share the #1 mindset shift that changed everything for me during this process. Now, the first phase is stop the exposure. No matter how many supplements you take, you can't begin healing if you're still living, working, or sleeping in mold. For us, this meant testing our home, remediating the areas of our home affected, removing the HVAC system, removing all porous items, and investing in a HEPA with carbon air purifier, which I've linked in the description below. This is also when I started switching to non-toxic cleaners, mold-safe laundry additives, and ditching synthetic fragrances. You can find all my favorite safe home swaps in my link tree below, including a link to my curated non-toxic home store. Well, this is hard, but it's crucial. Even low-level exposure can keep your body in a state of stress and inflammation. Now, once you're out of the mold, the next step is drainage and preparation. This phase is all about gently opening detox pathways, not jumping into binders or antimicrobials just yet. Now, here's how I prepped my body to detox without crashing. Daily hydration with minerals and trace elements. Gentle lymphatic drainage with dry brushing and movement. Castor oil packs over the liver and, for me, the kidneys. Magnesium-rich baths like an Epsom salt bath to calm the nervous system and encourage elimination. Light sweating through infrared sauna or rebounding. Now, you're basically turning on the body's drainage faucets before pushing out the toxins. If you're struggling with fatigue, headaches, or mood swings, this phase can already start to bring some relief. Now, phase 3, detox and rebuild. Now, this is where the deeper healing happens, but remember, slow and steady wins the race here. Now, this phase includes binders like activated charcoal, bentonite clay, or modified citrus pectin, which never take with food or meds. Liver support, which can include milk thistle, dandelion, NAC, and bitter herbs. Methylation support, like methylated B complex for those with the MTHFR gene like me, to support the detox and brain function. Gut healing, bone broth, collagen, glutamine, and low inflammatory diet. Mitochondria rebuilding, which can include CoQ10 and natural sunlight. Now, this is where I felt things to slowly start to shift. My energy was returning, brain fog lifting, and my skin was clearing up. Your body is literally cleaning house, so please be gentle with it. Some days I feel amazing, and others I feel like I'm back at square one, and I learned that this is actually normal. Now, phase 4, maintenance and reinforcement. Now, once symptoms stabilize and detox slows, you're in maintenance mode, and this is about keeping a clean, low toxin home, staying on a nourishing, supportive diet, taking supplements as needed for your unique constitution, prioritizing sleep, movement, and emotional resilience. Now, this phase also includes processing what you've been through. Mold is a traumatic experience, and you're not the same person that you were before, and that's okay. You've learned how to listen to your body, and that's powerful. Now, here's what I wish someone had told me from the very beginning. Mold is not linear. You will have setbacks, and that doesn't mean that you're failing. Healing takes time, but your body wants to heal. You just have to give it the tools, the space, and the grace to do it. Now, if this video helped you, give it a like so YouTube shows it to others who need this too. Subscribe for more holistic healing tips, non-toxic living, and recovery strategies from someone who's living it right along with you. You can visit my blog for recipes, shop my non-toxic store, or buy me a coffee to help me keep creating videos like this one. All the links are below. So drop a comment if you're in the middle of recovery, and I would love to support you. We are in this together. You can heal, and I'll be right here cheering you on.